Hey Atlanta, thanks for such a great day yesterday for lunch. Today we also backing you up again. We got today's menu set for you. We got Little Mama's meatloaf on our own special sauce, red sauce. We got fried chicken, white rice, oxtails, stewed oxtails, barbecue ribs in their own Little Mama's barbecue sauce. Today's vegetables consist of black-eyed peas, candied yams. We got a vegetable fried rice, collard greens, squash, her own macaroni and cheese, cornbread comes with every plate. And today's dessert, we got strawberry shortcake and caramel cake. Thank you, Atlanta, for giving us such a raging review. Hope to see you soon.